Hi, I am Dr. Trinette Moss of Total Family Wellness. I'm a family physician here in Clearwater, Florida. I had the opportunity of taking the Room Full of Referrals class. I've actually taken it twice, and I found that I learned a lot about myself and my communication style. And I find that I can communicate better with people. I listen well. I'm more willing to connect people to other people. And since I'm a nurturer examiner, I also find that I'm willing to do it more for somebody else more than I am for myself. Um, the other part is learning how to tell people the facts how they want to hear them. And so I can present things in a way that they can understand what I'm trying to tell them. So that's what I got out of taking Room Full of Referrals.